What is going on, everybody? It's Haze Carlson coming back at you over at Floyd's RV in beautiful Norman, Oklahoma. And today we are going to be talking about this 2021 Durango D326RLT, guys. Now this thing is really cool. Big profile fifth wheel. I really like a couple of different features on this thing that we'll talk about here in a minute. But if you haven't yet, go ahead and join my camping family. Hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment down below, and hit the like button while you're at it. Always helps me out and helps spread these videos to other cool campers just like yourself. So with that being said, let's get into it. Guys, like I said, this is the Durango 326RLT. We do have the all-weather insulation package that is 4 seasons. So we do have that heated enclosed underbelly, which is going to keep our pipes nice and warm. And then this does have the true hitch to bumper 2-year limited warranty offered by KZ. Really cool stuff. You don't see a whole lot of the 2-year hitch to bumper, so that's a really nice feature on this guy. Now this does have the leech latch, so we can hang out with the pup. We've got our solid steps. Now guys, these things are awesome. These are the solid step XF by Lippert and Components. We can adjust these things. We got the big handle over here. We've got our huge big awning with a nice LED strip that's up on the top. We've got our 2 marine grade speakers going outside. And then with our pass-through storage, guys, I know you're seeing this bad boy right here. We got a big old Connex outside TV with the leather cover to go along with it, guys. And in this pass-through storage, look at how big this is. Big 50 amp cord, all of our lights. So we do have a motion detected light over here. We've also got our GFCI outlets for that TV, as well as our cable connections. We also have a couple of GFCI outlets over here, as well as our Furrion observation cameras. So we are pre-wired for those blind spot cameras, as well as a backup camera, guys. Now this thing does have the magnet doors, as well as a slam latch. Obviously I can't do that with the TV out here and everything, but that dude is super easy to move around. Now over here, true to the Durango style, instead of our propane tanks, we're gonna have our batteries in here. Now guys, we are pre-wired for solar. This is where our batteries are gonna be. We are vented. That's exactly what this tube is, because those batteries do need ventilation. And guys, we are ready for that lithium ready charging system. So lithium and then lead AGM. We do have tire links, so we can see the tire pressures of our tires that are on the trailer, as well as our battery disconnect, so we can save that battery life. Beautiful. Moving on to the front. Look at this awesome front cap, man. Look how pretty that is. Nice LED strips up here. Same thing on the other side. We're also going to have those little yellow lights up top. Now guys, look at that big old Durango sign there. Now we're going to have the Lippert pin box here. And then going underneath, let's see here. In here, we've got a bunch of storage. So in here, we're gonna have all of the controls for our electric leveling system. And yes, you did hear me right. This is an electronic leveling system, not a hydraulic leveling system. Cool stuff. Let's go over here and talk about some weights, folks. This thing, GVWR 12,995. It's heavy. Big old boy. Now over here, we're gonna have our control for that auto level system. And then behind this door is where we're gonna have our 2 30-pound propane tanks. So we can switch between which one we want, or we can have it there in the middle to use both at the same time. Going over to this side of our pass-through. All right. Huge big pass-through area, guys. Big storage. Now over here, we've got the Nautilus P4 wet bay. I love this thing. So this is gonna have your outdoor shower. We've got hot and cold, that quick connect hose, our satellite and cable inlets, our water pump there, our nice clicky LED light, and then these knobs in the middle are a game changer, man. So we can set those things to go dry camping, power fill tank, our city water, winterize, or sanitize just by changing over these knobs. Really cool stuff. Love this wet bay system. We're gonna have our city water as well as our tank flush valve right there. And then here is our water hose that we can use to quick connect right up there. And we've also got this port here to where we can run all of that stuff through the bottom. Now this guy is on air shocks as to not hit our door for our bedroom slide. Now guys, of course, this is a 50 amp service unit One cool thing that I really like about that is that we're gonna have a light right here just for that. Other cool thing is that no other manufacturer that I've seen thus far is already gonna put the grates on. Those are normally something that you're going to have to buy after the fact. So it's cool that KZ is putting those on straight from the factory. We have our tank vent over here, again with that camera bracket from Furrion. Now guys, under here, we're going to have our sewer outlet. Here's our outlet here, and then our black and gray tanks. Good stuff, as well as our low point drains. Beautiful. Big bad slide here. Then over here on this side, looking at the rear, guys, this does have the Durango towing package, so we can tow up to 3,000 pounds with a 300-pound hitch rating with this 2-inch receiving hitch. And we do have the wiring harness to go right along with that. Now, up top, we're gonna have that Furrion observation camera, as well as our Durango from KZ, born in 1972, cool stuff. But what's even cooler is what's up on the roof. So let me hop up there and I'll show you guys in just a second. Okay, so now we're back. We're up here on the roof. Now, a couple of things I want to talk about. Now this roof, this is the Tough Flex roof. This is the Dicor Systems Tough Flex roof, guys. 15-year warranty on this bad boy. Now this thing is awesome. Now another thing that I wanted to talk to you about is this King antenna. So we already have this King antenna on here. We already have our pre-wiring for our solar panels that are these guys right here. And then the other thing, check this out guys, 2 Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet ACs. We got 2 of these bad boys. We got this guy here, and we have another one here towards the rear. We got a couple skylights over here, our fan vent, all that beautiful stuff. Here is our solar pre-wiring again over here. But guys, two of these Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet ACs. Awesome stuff. All right, time to hop back down. See you down there in just a second. And we're back down on the ground. All right, going over here, we've got our other big bad slide. This is going to be for our living room area. We've talked about our big awning over here. Now what we didn't talk about, what is underneath these guys. Check this out. Love this. Underneath this little door, and it is a little bitty door, we've got the griddle. Man, I can't get enough of these Suburban griddles. These things are awesome. Definitely love them a lot. Now, let's talk about this suspension, guys. We've got the Equaflex by Lippert Components shackle suspension. And then right here is going to be our propane quick connect, so we can use that little griddle. Cool stuff, guys. All right. Now we're about to head inside, but before we do, guys, let me know what you like about the outside of this thing. And I've seen some comments over there of some people who were ragging on me about I'm too excited, this, that, and the other. Well, man, if you guys want to watch some other boring RV guy, then go for it, because I'm excited. I love these things. I love sharing it with all of my subscribers out there. So just saying, if you don't like our positive energy that we got going on, there's plenty of other guys out there. But man, I'm excited to show you guys about this. But check it out. Look at this. How cool is that? So over here, we've got our big bad dinette. We've got our booth seat here. Now we don't have any storage underneath because that's where our outside kitchen is. But these guys do Velcro off of the wall. And then we've got our table. I really do like this kind of curved edge that they do over here. We also got 2 bar stools that we're going to be able to strap down whenever we're moving around. But man, check out this living area. We've got the 2 true recliners by Thomas Payne. We've got these guys, and we have the matching Thomas Payne pull-out couches here and here. So we've got 2 of these guys. Really nice, high quality stuff. Huge TV. Furrion infotainment system, guys, AM, FM radio, headphones, USB, aux cord, you name it, it's going to be able to do it. And then our humongous electric furnace. Now, guys, this thing is going to change colors. We can also change the brightness up and down, and that thing will put out some heat. Now, over here, we're going to have a lot of space up top, as well as some cabinet space down below and on the sides. Cool stuff. And then over here we got that same little matching closet. Awesome. Now guys, I'm gonna try my best to see if I can make this work so I can show you guys this pull-out couch. All right, there we go. Now we got you set up. So all you gotta do, take these guys off, lay them over to the side, pull this bad boy out, drop the legs, lay it down, and then lay this guy down too, and then bing, bang, boom. Ha! We got a mattress, baby. Cool, so we got this guy and we have that other one over there, and putting it up is just as simple. Here's this guy over to the back. Bingo, bango, bongo, just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So, we've got that. We have our blackout shades. Now check these out. These things do a great job of blacking out all of that light, giving us that complete darkness that we're looking for, until we roll that bad dude back up. Now we've got views on views. I think you guys are a little blurry. There we go. All right. Now they are nice enough to throw in this ottoman for us. We've got our throw pillows over here, and then our ottoman has some storage underneath so you can keep some blankets and different stuff like that in there. But man, I love this living area. This opposing slide with this guy slid out does create a lot of room all throughout here, so really nice stuff. And guys, we are going to have these nice clicking lights that are going to be for the lights in our slides. Cool, cool stuff. Now with these recliners, we've got heat, we've also got vibration, and we have USB in there too, as well as a place to put all your remotes. Let's talk about this big old refrigerator here in a second. Plenty of space next to it, as well as a little storage area underneath it. Man, this Norcold fridge and freezer is huge. We got the old school ice makers in here, man. Now this thing is gas and electric. For you guys who don't know Norcold, they do a great job of these gas and electric refrigerators, and man, this thing is big. Put a ton of food in there. Then we'll have our huge Insignia stove. Now guys, this is designed and tested to meet the demands of the RV industry. Huge big time oven, 4 burners, solid surface, trash can with some drawers that do have the soft close. If you guys watch me, you know that I love the soft close. Great stuff. Guys, we're already pre-wired for that King Wi-Fi like we talked about up top. Big bad convection microwave. Now over here, this is where we're gonna have our sink. If this was mine, I would totally put a little Keurig over here. This would make a perfect little coffee nook. Plenty of space underneath. Nice stainless steel sink, chef's nozzle with a couple of different spray modes. Solid surface countertops. Bunch of space, and our breaker panel and fuse box there. And guys, we've got even more cabinet space up top. So I don't want to hear that this thing doesn't have any storage, because man, it sure does. We have a nice fan up there. It's going to get rid of any hot air. We also have our ducted AC. Now guys, we did talk about those 2 Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet ACs. Going up, we're going to have our LCI screen. Now this is where we can adjust our awning. We can turn on all of our lights as well as our slides. Pretty much control this whole thing through this screen or the app, which is really, really neat. Here is one thermostat. Now we are going to have another thermostat in the bedroom for that second AC. So we are running off of 2 thermostats here. And then into our bathroom. Now we will have this nice sliding barn door. And in here, we have a bunch of room for towels and toiletries and all that kind of stuff. And our big bad shower. Man, this thing is huge too, and this does have 3 slides. There are 3 glass slides that do lock into place with this guy here, and we do have a nice skylight up top. Stainless steel shower head there. Beautiful. Our awesome foot flush commode. Our window with those blackout shades again, so you don't want anybody peeping in on you. Now we've got 2 mirrors, one here and one here, and we've also got his and her, or his and her, whatever you want to call it. His and his, hers and hers. 2 sinks. What we got. And then we've got storage underneath both of those two sinks as well as some drawer storage with the soft close, baby. You know I love that soft close. Bunch of space over here. Now guys, we do have our water heater controls here, as well as our nice clicky light and some more GFCI outlets there and there as well. Beautiful stuff. With that super duper fan, man. What more could you ask for? Going here into the bedroom, folks, we've got an awesome big bad king bed. Well, we're gonna have some storage up above that king bed with USBs. Now we do have some 3-prong outlets down there on this side, and then over here as well we do have a couple more of those. We have the opposing windows with that nice cushiony headboard, and underneath, you know, we got some more storage. Now with our closet, we do have our sliding closet doors, and look at these beautiful mirrors, man. These things are huge. Really do like this look. And then back behind, I know it's a little tough to see, so I am going to help us out. Back in our closet, we are going to have washer and dryer prep. That's right, washer and dryer in this bad boy. Big hanging space for all of your clothes, as well as some more space up top. Beautiful stuff. Over here, we're going to have some more storage. We are back for a TV over here, so we can get that guy plugged up and hooked up with our Wi-Fi and or satellite and cable. Now over here, love the laundry chute. Gotta love the good old laundry chute. More drawer storage with the soft close. And plenty of space underneath, man. Beautiful. It's just what you would come to expect from a KZ Durango, guys. This thing is super awesome. Like I said, we just got this in. I personally am a really big fan of this table setup. I think that this is really cool. I like how this guy is going to come out and create that separation between the kitchen and dining room area to the living area. Also, really big fan of that little griddle that they have over there. Even though this isn't a bunkhouse, we don't have a ton of space for that outdoor kitchen. They are nice enough to put that guy in here. And of course, since it is that KZ Durango, you know we got that TV, the Toughflex roof, the two 15K Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet ACs. I mean, not to mention our big bad stove. But man, I sure do like this thing. And if you guys like this thing, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna have my phone number, my email address, my Facebook page, my inventory website, as well as a link to KZ's website so you can learn more about this Durango and all of the other cool Durango floor plans that they have. But guys, just like that, I'm gonna get out of here and go record another video for you. Hope you're having a great day. This has been us talking about the Durango D326RLT. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.